Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Hyundai IONIQ 5 and we're going to do the Chrome Delete installation for the front. And this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the panels that we're going to work on. We recommend doing this at a dry installation, so making sure there's no water or any contaminants on the panels we're going to work on. So for this install, we want to start off on this edge first, and once we apply it to this end, we work a way to meet it up to the other end over there. So just align the film right on the edge of the cutout, and once you have it there, it's just placing the rest and making sure as you go you're covering everything. Now that we place the piece onto the panel, now it's just tacking down everything and making sure we secure each section. So whatever needs to be tucked in, just tuck in. And then for the bottom piece, we're just going to apply heat to tack everything down. And the same steps we did for this piece, you would just rinse and repeat the same process for this end here. And then if you have any extra material, just trim off with your blade, and then just be careful not to scratch the panel or the paint. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the chrome for the front for the 2022 Hyundai IONIQ 5. If you guys do have any questions in regards to installation, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. We hope that this video helped you with the installation. Don't forget to give the video a like. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.